Hey friends, today I will discuss about characteristic of a ring and its important properties. This concept is very important from your exam perspective. That is for any national level exams. Questions often came from this topic. So before going to the textbook definition, let me give you some examples. Okay. Let us first take the ring Z3 plus dot. This is one ring, and take another ring Z6 plus dot. Now, what are the elements of Z3? 0, 1, 2. Okay. Now, if I say that how many times if you add these elements, you will get 0. For example, 0. If you add 0 one times, that is 1 into 0, that is equals to 0. Okay. Now, 1. If you add 1 3 times, that is 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 3 into 1, that is equals to 0. Okay. Now take 2. If you add 2 3 times, that is 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals to 3 into 2 equals to 6, that is 0. Right. So, now what is the least integer? Least positive integer n such that nx equals to 0. That will be the characteristic of a ring. Okay. तो यहाँ पर कौन सा लिस्ट इंटीजर होगा उस पे हम बाद में आएंगे, पहले इस पे भी देख लेते हैं. तो यहाँ पर Z6 की जो एलिमेंट्स है, दैट इज इफ आई टेक 1, हाउ मेनी टाइम्स इफ आई एड 1? 6 टाइम्स. ओके. इफ आई एड 1 6 टाइम्स, then what I will get? Then I will get that this equals to 0. Okay. Now I guess you get some idea that what will be the characteristic of a ring. Okay. Now I will give you the textbook definition of characteristic of a ring. Okay. What will be the definition of characteristic of a ring? So, definition. What is definition says? Definition says that the characteristic of a ring is the least positive integer. The characteristic, मैं शॉर्ट पे लिख रही हूँ, of a ring R is the characteristic of a ring is the least positive integer. The characteristic of a ring is the least positive integer for which is the least positive integer n such that is the least positive integer n such that x equals to 0 for all x in R. If no such integer exists, if no such integer exists, we say R is of infinite characteristic. R is of infinite characteristic. Infinite characteristic. आप लोग फुल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक लिख लेना, मैं यहाँ पर शॉर्ट पे लिख रही हूँ. सो व्हाट बेसिकली दे आर ट्राइंग टू से हियर, उसको देखते हैं. ओके. दे सेड दैट द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इज ऑफ आर इज द लीस्ट पॉजिटिव इंटीजर एन सच दैट एन एक्स इक्वल्स टू 0 फॉर ऑल एक्स इन आर. मतलब यहाँ पर जो एलिमेंट्स है Z3 पे, एक है 0. Z3 के एलिमेंट्स क्या क्या है? ओके. Z3 के एलिमेंट्स एक है 0, एक है 1 और एक है 2. सो एक ऐसा लीस्ट पॉजिटिव इंटीजर हमें लेना पड़ेगा जिसके लिए एन एक्स इक्वल्स टू 0. ओके. जिसके लिए एन एक्स इक्वल्स टू 0. तो यहाँ पर देखिए, तो हमें वी हैव टू टेक द लीस्ट पॉजिटिव इंटीजर जिसके लिए एन एक्स इक्वल्स टू 0 होगा. तो यहाँ पर देखिए what will be the value of that integer. Okay. So first if I say that 0 को 1 times ऐड करने पे 0 आ रहा है, so if I say that 1 will be the least positive integer, then क्या 1 into 1 equals to 0 होगा? क्योंकि यहाँ पर n x इक्वल्स टू 0 फॉर ऑल x होगा, तो 1 into 1 इक्वल्स टू नेवर 0, राइट. 1 into 3 इक्वल्स टू 0 in Z3. So 1 is not the least positive integer. Hence, what is the least positive integer? यहाँ पर देखिए 3 and 3 into 0 0 है, ठीक है. 3 into 0 भी तो 0 होगा, 1 into 0 तो 0 है ही. 3 into 0 equals to 3 into 0 equals to 0 also, right? So from here we can say that the characteristic of this ring will be 3, क्योंकि 3 into 0 भी तो 0 ही होगा ना. यहाँ पर मैं लिख सकती हूँ 3 into 0, right? So characteristic of this ring will be 3, right? ऐसे ही Z6 पे भी आपको देखना पड़ेगा that what will be the positive integer in least positive integer. ओके, जैसे यहाँ पर देखिए, अगर मैं 6 के साथ मल्टीपल करूँ, 6 into 0 equals to 0, 1 को 6 टाइम ऐड करूँ तो 6 into 1 equals to 0, 6 into 2 equals to 0, but that is not least. So characteristic of Z3 will be, hence from here I can say that characteristic of this implies that characteristic of Z3 equals to 3. Characteristic of Z3 equals to 3, right? तो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ Z3 3 होगा. अब कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ Z6 क्या होगा? अब मैथमेटिशियंस ने सोचा, देखिए ऐसे अगर हर एक एलिमेंट को चेक करना पड़ेगा तब तो थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा ना. मतलब Z10 के लिए क्या होगा, Z50 के लिए क्या होगा, देयर आर 50 एलिमेंट्स इन दैट रिंग. तो मैथमेटिशियंस ने एक थ्योरी लेकर आई, इंपॉर्टेंट थ्योरी, एंड वो दैट थ्योरी का स्टेटमेंट कुछ ऐसा है दैट अगर रिंग विथ यूनिटी है तो उस पे यूनिटी का जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक होगा दैट इज 1. सपोज लेट आर बी रिंग विथ यूनिटी, 1 इज द आइडेंटिटी एलिमेंट, तो आइडेंटिटी का जो एलिमेंट होगा दैट विल बी द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ दैट रिंग. ओके, दिस इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. चलिए पहले थ्योरी को देख लेते हैं. This is very interesting result and you have to remember that result. This result is important from any exam perspective also. Okay. So what does this result says? This is very important theory. This theory says that let R be a ring with unity. Let R be a ring with unity. Let R be a ring with unity. If one has infinite order under addition, if one has infinite order under addition, if one has infinite order under addition, then characteristic of R equals to 0. If one has order n under addition, if one has order n under addition, then characteristic of R equals to n. I think this is a very basic proof. You can do that. So मैं proof पे नहीं जाऊंगी. Okay. So statement को देखते हैं. Let R be a ring with unity. If one has infinite order under addition, then characteristic of R equals to 0. तो यहाँ पर बात ही खत्म हो गया. मतलब अगर आपके पास 1 की जो order है वो पता चल गया तो that will be the characteristic. If you somehow get the order of 1, then that will be the characteristic of the whole ring. If 1 has order n under addition, then characteristic of R equals to n. राइट. तो दिस इज, आई गेस दिस इज नाउ थिंग इजी हो गया. मतलब आपको कोई भी रिंग दिया जाए, आप बस उसका यूनिटी निकालिए, यूनिटी का ऑर्डर देखिए, एंड दैट विल बी द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ द रिंग. राइट. तो देखिए यहाँ पर जो हमने किया था Z3 पे यूनिटी कौन था, 1 का ऑर्डर कितना था, 1 का ऑर्डर था 3. रिंग का जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक था दैट विल बी 3. अब यहाँ पर देखिए, यहाँ पर ऑर्डर ऑफ 1 इक्वल्स टू 6. हियर order of 1 equals to 6, that imply characteristic of Z6 equals to 6. Okay, now I guess it is clear to you. मतलब 1 का जो ऑर्डर होगा that will be the characteristic of the ring. तो यहाँ पर तो बात ही खत्म हो गया. that this is very easy. If they give you any kind of ring, you just have to find the identity element and then you have to find the ring. Okay, then you have to find the characteristic. Up before going to the characteristic of an integral domain, let me give you some interesting example. Here I have said you that अगर रिंग के पास कोई भी फाइनाइट ऑर्डर का कोई भी ऐसा इंटीजर एग्जिस्ट ना करे जिसके लिए in x equals to 0 for all x in R, then we will say that the ring is infinite characteristic. Okay, can you give me some examples that of a ring that is infinite characteristic? Think about it. Can you give me some examples of a ring that is of infinite characteristic? Okay, let me give you the example. What about Z plus? Z plus dot. If this is the ring, then 1 belongs to set of integers, and find that it is also the identity element, right? But here you cannot find, there does not exist any n into 1 n for which there does not exist any n for which n into 1 equals to 0, right? Hence set of integers is of infinite characteristic. Now another important result. Okay, इस क्वेश्चन पे बहुत सारे लोग गलती करते हैं. इस टाइप की क्वेश्चंस नेट पे भी काफी बार आते हैं. They used to ask you this kind of questions that यहाँ पर तो आपको पता चल गया कि इनफाइनाइट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक का जो रिंग होता है दैट इज सेट ऑफ इंटीजर्स इज एन एग्जांपल. एनी इनफाइनाइट रिंग विल बी ऑफ इनफाइनाइट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक. क्वेश्चन इज एनी इनफाइनाइट रिंग will be of infinite characteristic. Any infinite ring will be of infinite characteristic. Will be of infinite. Any infinite ring will be of infinite characteristic. What will be your take on that? Tell me. Do you think that any infinite ring of will be of infinite characteristic? सेट ऑफ इंटीजर्स पे तो हो रहा है, उसको छोड़कर. ओके, टेक अबाउट दिस रिंग. व्हाट अबाउट दिस रिंग? ZP क्रॉस ZP क्रॉस ZP क्रॉस. इस एग्जाम्पल को ऑब्जर्व करना एंड कीप इन माइंड दिस एग्जाम्पल बिकॉज रिमेंबर दिस एग्जाम्पल बिकॉज दिस एग्जाम्पल विल बी यूजफुल इन फर्दर discussions also. Okay, so what will be the characteristic of this ring? If you see that the characteristic of this ring will be P. This is clearly visible that this is an infinite ring and its characteristic is P. Observe one thing, that this is not an integral domain. This is not an integral domain. Why? Listen, आपको इतनी दूर तक जाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Just take ZP cross ZP. ओके, या फिर Z क्रॉस Z, किसी भी इस टाइप्स के एलिमेंट पे आपको ऐसा दो एलिमेंट्स मिल जाएगा. 1 0 into 0 1. They are two non-zero elements. 1 0 into 0 1. They are basically two non-zero elements, but their product will be 0, right? So from here you can see that this is not an integral domain. Okay, और इस रिंग का जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है that is P. Here I am assuming that P is a prime number. Okay, so this is an example that any infinite ring is not of infinite characteristic. So if the statement is any infinite ring will be of infinite characteristic, true or false, your answer will be false. It is not necessary that any infinite ring will be of infinite characteristic. Okay, just remember it because this is very important for exam perspective. Okay, now let's move on to another question. Here let's move on to the another question. Okay, what this question says? This question says that actually this is a result कि आप लोगों को पहले पता चला. पहले I discuss about the definitions of characteristic of a ring. Then I said you that characteristic of a ring equals to order of the unity of that ring, right? Now I will tell you another important result. That is, अगर आपके पास इंटीग्रल डोमेन हुआ तो उसकी इफ द इंटीग्रल डोमेन इज इनफाइनाइट देन दैट्स उस टाइम पे तो इंटीग्रल डोमेन की जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक होगा दैट विल बी 0. एंड इफ द इंटीग्रल डोमेन इज फाइनाइट देन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ एन इंटीग्रल डोमेन विल बी प्राइम नंबर. ओके, सो दिस थ्योरम सेज दैट द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ एन इंटीग्रल डोमेन इज either 0 or prime number, is either 0 or prime number. The characteristic of an integral domain is either 0 or a prime number. इस प्रूफ को मैं डिस्कस करूंगी because this is a very important concept. Please Remember this. Okay. The characteristic of an integral domain is either 0 or a prime number. How I will prove you? Okay, I am just giving you the idea. देखिए, already I have discussed that characteristic of an ring, any ring, equals to the characteristic of unity or order of unity. Okay. So I just have to prove that the characteristic of this ring or integral domain can never be a composite number. Okay. Let n equals to st. The characteristic of an integral domain is either 0 or prime number. Okay. Suppose this n is composite. Okay. This is composite, I am assuming. Now, since n is the characteristic here, since n is characteristic of the ring, that imply n into 1 equals to 0, because I have already told you that identity element का order जो होगा that will be characteristic. That imply s into 1, actually st into 1 equals to 0. That imply s into 1 into t into 1 equals to 0. S into 1, t into 1 equals to 0. Okay. Now, this is an integral domain. And you know the definition of integral domain, that if AB equals to 0, R plus dot is an integral domain. It implies it has no zero divisors. That is, if AB equals to 0, that implies either A equals to 0 or B equals to 0. Hence, it will imply that either S into 1 equals to 0 or T into 1 equals to 0. But here, observe that S T less than 1. Hence, it is not possible. क्योंकि n is the least positive integer. Characteristic of a ring means this is the least positive integer. N into 1 equals to 0. And I am saying that there is another integer, either s into 1 or t into 1. So this is a contradiction. And this contradiction came because I have assuming that n is composite number. From this we can say n equals to prime number. Okay, I guess it is clear to you now. So this is very important theorem, remember it.